Hey, how's it going? Looky what I got for free. Well, it's such a beautiful day today. I needed to get something at the lumberyard. Thought, you know what, I'm just going to hoof it over there. Ain't gonna hurt a thing. It's kind of a quiet day, there's a nice breeze, sun's out. It's just gonna be a nice day. So I start off and get on the other side of the hill here, and down at the bottom of the hill there's a little like lawn place. He's having a sale, kind of a cleaning up spring sale. I was prowling around looking at a few tools, and spotted this pair of chain vice grips, which I got upstairs. I didn't bring them down. Everybody knows what a pair of chain vice grips looks like anyway. I seen that on the back over there behind him, kind of in a pile of junk, just thrown together. I said, well, is that for sale? He says, oh, that? You can have that. That's just junk. Really? So he went over and got this box. Looks pretty good for junk. I don't think this looks like that book was taped in there. This has never been used. It's still wrapped up. The tip's never been fired up. I don't think it's ever been out of its box. Yeah, it's never been used there. Keep the tip tight. Why would this be thrown away? This is one of the big problems we got in our world. Everything is so disposable that anything that looks even remotely hard to deal with is considered disposable, and you just throw it away. Maybe it's because the windows broke out of it. With some. I'll bet that's it. That plastic was broke. Oh, that's going to be really hard to fix. Looks like it came from. Yeah, I think that's Johnston, or Johnstone Hardware. It used to be a hardware store here in town. It hasn't even been hung up. Now granted, this isn't one of Weller's great soldering irons. I don't care for these for the fact that they have these little screws. It's made in the US, it says. I don't know, you tell me. Why would you throw that away? So if you have some other soldering irons you're going to throw away, let me know. Take it easy.